to my channel. Here we are going to be working on this problem. So we are going to be converting these orthographic views into isometric view. As we have here that these views are given a first angle projection, in which this is the front elevation and this is the plan. And let's look at the dimensions on the front elevation. We have the distance from here to here is 45, and then distance from here to here is 10, and then so we have that, okay, distance from here to here is not given, but I guess it's 5 millimeters. It is 5 millimeters, and distance from here to here is 15 millimeters. And we also have that the total length is 80 millimeters, and from here to here is 15, from here to here is 6, and from here to here is 20. That is in the front elevation. And when we come to the plan, so the width from here to here is 45, and then the thickness of this web is 9 millimeters, and then we have that from here to here is 25 millimeters. All right, so what we are going to do, if you look at this shape that we have here, you will see that this is its plan. So this is its plan that we have here. So this is what we have. So for us to draw this shape here, so we are going to be working it out. First of all, we are going to create this part like this. So we create this part, we make it complete. So that means we are going to take this as 15 millimeters. Okay, so we form this shape here, and then we go on, and then we draw the isometric view. So let us start and see how it goes. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to draw a horizontal, a short horizontal line. Okay, so I'll be taking this point as the lowest point, this point as the lowest point. Okay, so and then the next thing that we are going to do with 30 degrees set square, so we are going to draw a line in this direction. So we draw a line in this direction, and we are going to take a measurement. Okay, before that, I'm going to erect a vertical line, a short vertical line at this point. So it goes like this. Okay, then I'm going to take a measurement of 80 millimeters, so which is the total length. So we take 80 millimeters from here, which is the total length of the object. So this is 80 millimeters here. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so having drawn this vertical line, so the next thing that I'm going to do is this. So we have that the distance from here to here is from here to here is 10, from here to here is 5, so that is 15. So I'm going to take a measurement of that 15 millimeters. So I will take 15 millimeters here. Okay, so this is 15 millimeters. Okay, so having taken that 15 millimeters, so we also have that from here to here is 15, from here to here is 15. So I will come to this point here and take a measurement of 15 millimeters from this point inward. So this is 15, and then so we also have that from here to here is 20, from here to here is 6, from here to here is 20. I will take that measurement. So I will take 6 millimeters first. Okay, so this is 6 millimeters, and then I will take 20 up. So this is 20. All right, so we have that. So another thing that we have here is that, so we have that the height from here to here is 45. So I will take that 45 millimeters. 45 millimeters. So this is 45 millimeters here. All right, so now, so I'm going to come to this point here. So coming to this point up here, so I'm going to take this line forward. Okay, so then okay, so now let's look at something that we have here that we have to be very careful of. So now if you look at this 15 that we have up here, this 15 that we have up here, so it's not part of this. So it means that from here to here should be 20. So we are going to take that 20. So we come onto this line. So we come onto this line and we take 20 millimeters. You have to take that 20 So this is 20 millimeters here. All right, so okay, so at this point here, so we are going to draw a vertical line. Here we draw a vertical line at this point. Okay, so and then so at this point I will draw a vertical line, short vertical line. Okay, so and also at this point here I will draw a short vertical line. Okay, so this 6 now, so we now transfer it here. So we transfer it here, so we have what we have this. Okay, and then so this 20, so the 20 that we have here, so we take it in here like this. All right, so take it in. Okay, so then I'm going to join it with this 15 that we have taken. So this line needs to come down a little bit, and then we join it with this. All right, so then so for this shape that we have here, so we are going to leave this here for now. So we have almost produced everything that we have here except this one, because if you look at what we have here, so we still need to take distance from here to here. Okay, and from here to here for this shape to come out. So let's leave it for now. So it's already here. So now the next thing that we are going to do is that so just take your set square and then draw this line in this direction from this point, and you come to this point also. So you draw a line from this point, and then so coming to this point here, this point, you must draw this line. So you draw a line in this direction, okay, just to touch that, and then coming to this point, so draw a line in this direction at this point. Then so you come to this point, you also draw a line from here, and then coming here, so draw a line in this direction. All right, so then we now take the width. So the width is 45 millimeters. So take a measurement of 45 millimeters from this point to the left side. So we have 45. So now so draw a vertical line here. Draw a vertical line from this point, and then you transfer this point to here, and then here also. So transfer this point, take it up, and then so we transfer this here. All right, so we have something like this. So there are things that we need to put in here now, so which we are going to do. First of all, let's start with this shape here. Okay, let's start with this shape that will give us what we have here on this side. So we have that from here to here is 25, and total length is 45. So so what do we do? The distance from here to here, now we need to know the distance from here to here. So if we take 25 out of 45, so that will be 20, which means distance from here to here is 10, from here to here is 10. So we have to take that measurement here on this side here. So we come to this point here. Okay, so we are going to take 10, so this is 10 millimeters, and then from this side we also take 10, so this is 10 millimeters here. So and then it goes in by 5 millimeters, but before that we need to draw this line. So draw this line here, and then we come to this point, we draw this line. So and then we take a measurement of 5 millimeters from here. So take 5 millimeters, so this is 5 millimeters. Then transfer this point, so transfer it to this side. So we transfer it to this side here, like this. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so what we are to do now is that so from this point, first of all come to this point here. Okay, all right, so this line we have to take it, sorry, so you have to take this line, so we take it to, so it touches this point here and also touches this line here. So that's what we have to do. So now so we are going to bring this down. So we take this, so we take it down here like this. So we take it down. So also at this point, so we draw this line like this. So when you are looking at it from this direction, so you are going to see that shape that we have there. So that is how this part will look. Okay, so let's see that thing that we have here. So we have this web being placed in the middle here, and the thickness is 9 millimeters. This thickness is 9 millimeters. So we have to take 9 millimeters. So let's locate the midpoint. So 45 by 2 will give us 22.5. So 22.5. So this is where I have my own 22.5. So from this point now, so if we divide 9 by 2, that will give us what? That will give us, I'll just take it as 10. So I'll take the thickness as 10. So take 5 from this point to this side, and 5 from this point to this side. And then with the web that we have here, so if you look at it, it is along this part here. This is what we have. It goes with this 15. So I have to come on this line. Okay, let me just transfer this this 15 that we have here. Let me transfer it up to this point. Then I will draw from this point. So I will draw a line to this side here. So so here also, so that 45 that we have here, we also divide into 2. That is 22.5. So this is 22.5 here. So from this point, I will take 5 millimeters to the left side and 5 millimeters to the right side. So all I'm going to do now, so I'm going to use my black pen to join this. So we join this together like this. Okay, so and then coming here, so we join this together. So these two lines are non-isometric lines, so you just join them together directly. So from this point, we have to draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line to touch this line here, and then you now draw from here. So you join these two lines to get to these 2 points together. Join these 2 points together like this. So that is what we have then. So all that we need to do now is to make sure we thicken the outlines and the visible edges. So I'm going to pause the video, then I'll do that. When I'm done, you will see what we have obtained. So this is the shape that we so all right, so we are making sure that you can see. Okay, so all these lines, they are to be made thick lines. Okay, all right, so this line is also a thick line. Alright, so this is what we have obtained. It's as simple as I've done it here. So let's look at the parts one by one as we have it here. This surface that we have here, so is what we have here. So this shape that we have here is within this part. When you are standing here, you will see it, and the web. So this is what how we see it here. So we only see this in the front elevation. For the plan, so this shape that we have here is what we have around here. And then so the web here, so as a rectangle, yes, this is how we see it here in the plan, and then this surface here. So, and then this line that is drawn with short dashes line is about this one, and for this one is for this. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When practice this, become a master at it. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.